Note: the following video depicts a specific configuration of the notebook. The same removal and replacement procedures apply to all configurations of the notebook. Before you begin, remove the base enclosure. Removal. Using minimal force, lift the locking bar up on the touchpad board ZIF connector and disconnect the touchpad board ribbon cable from the keyboard board. Caution: use care to prevent damaging the ZIF connector and ribbon cable. Remove the touchpad board ribbon cable from the adhesive that secures it to the top cover. Remove the 4 2mm P1 Phillips broadhead screws that secure the touchpad board to the top cover. Peel back the grounding tape that secures the touchpad board to the top cover. Lift the touchpad board bracket off of the alignment pins on the top cover and remove. Lift the touchpad board off of the alignment pins on the top cover and remove. Place the touchpad board into a static dissipative bag. Replacement. Remove the touchpad board from the static dissipative bag. Place the touchpad board onto the alignment pins on the top cover. Place the touchpad board bracket onto the alignment pins on the top cover. Replace the grounding tape that secures the touchpad board to the top cover. Replace the 4 2mm P1 Phillips broadhead screws that secure the touchpad board to the top cover. Insert the touchpad board ribbon cable into the touchpad board ZIF connector on the keyboard board and press the locking bar down to lock the cable into place. Caution: use care to prevent damaging the ZIF connector and ribbon cable. Apply pressure to the touchpad board ribbon cable to adhere it to the top cover.